Hey everybody, it's Tyler and Barb here from SeaComm. As you know, our Pay It Forward program has allowed us to go into all of the communities that we serve and perform random acts of kindness. This includes paying for movie tickets admission, filling up the gas tanks for unsuspecting motorists, and even buying groceries for people. What we're doing here today is we're giving out free smoke alarms, and the idea was actually brought to my attention from Barb.
Well, Tyler, the idea came to me when a member of ours had a house fire, and I thought, what better way to serve our membership, so I brought the idea to you, to the marketing department.
Excellent, yeah. And it's not just the marketing department who comes up with these ideas. We encourage our management and our staff throughout the organization with any ideas that they have to bring them to our attention so we can make them happen. So Barb's idea has turned into 500 of our members getting free smoke alarms. And the whole point of this is SeaComm wanting our members to be safe during this season. Would you like a free smoke alarm on behalf of SeaComm?
Sure.
Just for being a member with us.
Awesome. Thank you. You're welcome.
Yes. Exactly. Thank you for being a member with us. Thank you.
I sure would. Thank you very much.
You are so welcome. Thanks for being a member with us.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
You too.
Sure. Thank you very much.
Free smoke alarm from SeaComm. Thank you for being a SeaComm member.